Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Pinterest account. So all you have to do is just simply open up your browser, guys, and type in Pinterest in Google or wherever, and you should see from the search results Pinterest. Or alternatively, if you know the Pinterest URL, just simply type in pinterest.com in your browser URL section, and you will be able to go to pinterest.com. Now, it's very easy once you're there to the website to sign up. If you have a Google account already signed into your browser, it will detect, like you can see on my upper right hand side of my screen, and I just need to click and continue as, or you can just use your Facebook or Google, as you can see there at the bottom. Now, once you do that, you will have a pop-up that says sign up. You can also log in using a different method, but let's just stick to sign up here. Click on sign up, guys, and from here it will require you to enter your date of birth. So it's the month, day, and the year. So go ahead and put in month. I'm gonna just make up something here, and yeah, just go ahead and click on the create account. Once you do that, you will be taken over to the Pinterest page where it's gonna say welcome to Pinterest Drew. Right, that's it. Go ahead and click on next. You might receive some pop-up depending on your browser. If you want to receive notifications, you can go ahead and you can choose allow or not. I'm going to just click off there for now. Click on next, and from here you want to continue the process, right? Choose a gender. I'm going to say male. Then from here, it's basically choosing the language and the country. Click on next. And from here, you want to go ahead and choose your mood or things that you're interested in. So in my case, I'm going to just make a few checks here. It doesn't really matter what you choose. You can always go ahead and change this later. So I'm going to say, for example, workout, and what's this there? Look at sneakers, go on adventures. Let's choose that as an example as well. Plan an outfit, I'm going to choose that, or DIY project. You can really choose what you want and click and continue. Now from here it says select 3 or more pins that you can start with. You can easily go ahead and select whatever you want, and these are populated based on the interest that you choose from before. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose something from the outfit section here, something here from the workout section, and something from the do-it-yourself. So I'm gonna choose, for example, this glasses here, and you can even show more if you so desire. It's really up to you, but for now I'm gonna leave it with those 3 and click and continue to my feed. Then you can see that it's currently loading up Pinterest for me, guys. It's a straightforward process, but that's it. You're right into Pinterest, and that's all that you need to do to create your Pinterest account. Now, if you would like to learn more about Pinterest, then I want to recommend that you subscribe to the channel so that you can learn more. But I'm going to just give you a quick tour, show you what's there. So on the upper right hand side is basically your profile, right? You also have a drop down to show various accounts. If you have more accounts, you can basically see that, but your profile is on the upper right hand side. You can click there and it's going to take you into your accounts, right? So from here you have your profile. You can view your profile, you have pins, you have boards, you have groups, and basically you have nothing right here because you need to create a board, right? It shows your followers. If you have followers, as a new account you will not have any followers, but you get the general idea, right? You have this plus here. If you click on that plus, you can also create pins and boards from here as well. On the left hand side you have basically the home, which is a Pinterest icon. You can click on that and it's going to take you over to home as well. You also have home here as well, so anyone you choose, these 2 buttons basically take you home. The next one here is basically giving you some options where you have arts, music. It just basically give you some random search where you can search or explore. Take it as an explore button where you can go and explore a wide range of things. So if you're new to Pinterest and you want ideas, the explore button is one of the best thing, is one of the best place you want to start to get ideas. Then from here you have the create. You can click on create and you can start create and making pins or posts and so forth. Then you have the updates, which you'll be able to see updates and feeds and so forth. So you can easily find that option here. Your messages is the last one here. Then you have your messages. You can find messages here, invite from friends and so forth. Then in the lower left hand side you have the more options. Click on that and you have a ton of different things that you can do within your account. So you can log out of Pinterest, you can add more Pinterest accounts, you can basically view rights and privacy, help, all of these different additional things that you would need to learn more about Pinterest. You can go into those settings and see additional info from here. It's a very easy and straightforward website, and that's basically it. All you have to do is start exploring, start working with Pinterest, and have fun with it. And basically create and explore. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.